Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about what a VPN is and how do they work. First, you heard the term VPN and wondered what it means. Luckily, you are in the right place because we're about to dive in and explore everything you need to know about VPNs. Also, if at any point you have to give any of the VPNs mentioned in this video a try, you'll find the latest pricing, discounts, and reviews available in the description down below. First of all, VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It is a technology that allows you to create a secure and private connection between your device and the internet. So it's like creating a private tunnel through which your internet traffic flows, making it impossible for anyone to see what you're doing online. And there are several reasons why you might want a VPN. First, one of the most common reasons is privacy and security. When you use a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted, meaning that even if someone encrypts it, they won't be able to read it, which is why this is especially important when you're using public Wi-Fi networks where your data could be vulnerable to hackers. Another reason why people use VPNs is to access content that might not be available in their country. For example, some streaming services or websites may only be available in certain countries, and by using a VPN, you can connect to a server in that country and access the content as if you were physically located there. So how does a VPN actually work? Well, when you connect to the internet through a VPN, your device first connects to a VPN server. This server then acts as a middleman between your device and the internet, so when you send your data over to the internet, it first goes through the VPN server. And after that, the VPN server encrypts your data, making it unreachable to hackers or anyone who might be snooping on your traffic. Finally, the encrypted data is then sent to its final destination. And when the data comes back from the internet, it goes through the VPN server again, where it encrypts your data and sends it back to your device, where it displays on your screen. So that's a brief overview of what VPNs are and how they work. So do your research, find a reputable VPN provider, and start enjoying the benefits of a safer, more private internet experience. And to help you make an informed decision, we've compared a list of recommended VPNs that are widely regarded as the best options available. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best 3 VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch. They're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video, and that's why these are my favorite 3. But depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'll explain why. Starting with ExpressVPN, and this is going to be the one to get if you're looking for the best, overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN, and it has the most verified no-locks policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test, proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to easily access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 5 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. And so ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is, and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest level of reliability, Express is our trusty go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN, and Nord is what I consider the best value VPN. It has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help your speed and latency, especially if you want a VPN for gaming, or if you want extra features such as threat protection, which blocks ads, malware-ridden websites, as well as protects your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for the money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance, and will let you secure up to 6 devices per subscription, as opposed to ExpressVPN's 5 device limit. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then Nord will be the one to get. And then finally, Surfshark is our pick for the best budget VPN, and while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those two. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account. So it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. Also, you still get some bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as a no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're trying to use a VPN in a restrictive country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you want a VPN that allows you to secure all your devices, or if you have a large family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And so to sum it up, these VPNs are definitely the best in the business. ExpressVPN is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those that are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Now, NordVPN is a well-rounded, high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money and is ideal for those looking for bonus features that can be useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions such as strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark, the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessarily security features that you usually get with a more expensive VPNs. And as an added bonus, you can share it around with as many of your friends and family as you like, which is a great plus. And so in summary, VPNs are an incredibly useful tool for anyone who wants to keep their online activities private and secure. Whether you're using public Wi-Fi networks, accessing content from other countries, or simply want to keep your internet activity private from prying eyes, a VPN can help you keep your data safe from hackers and other third parties. However, it's important to remember that VPNs aren't a cure-all solution for online security. They should be used in conjunction with other best practices like using strong passwords, keeping your software up to date, and being vigilant about phishing scams and other online threats. With that said, if you're looking for a way to stay safe and secure online, using a VPN is definitely a step in the right direction. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts, as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to respond to as many of those as I can. Finally, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.